Maybe you can give folks that are in these situations some encouragement and motivation this morning, just some bite-sized Apollos Hester motivation. So what would you say to someone who maybe lost their job?
Oh man. Okay, I would say first of all, don't give up. First of all, I tell them, sometimes in life we are gonna fall down, and sometimes in life we bad things happen, but that's okay. I would also say this. I would also say if you lost your job, have a great attitude and go find another one, and have an awesome attitude about finding multiple jobs. Because if you have an awesome attitude, and then the people that you want to work for you see that you have a great attitude and stuff, they might hire you or something. Don't never hold your head down ever. You might be going through some hard times right now, and that's okay. Just continue. I pray to God, and I would advise you to do that. It's awesome, but trust in Him and keep your faith, and it's going to be all right. I'm telling you. If you continue to smile each and every day, even if you don't have a job, if you smile, just smile, you will be all right.